Jamaica, yo. So Jamaicans have a thing for follow and can never lead because them think them free. Yet them stand up on nothing and don't care for nothing. So we as a country and people, we're divided and easily conquered. Black people like referencing heroes like Paul Bogle, Nani, Samsha, Marcus Garvey, Martin Luther King and Malcolm X. Yet them don't know nothing about even the people where them say them admire. Them just say, a great man them, well, Malcolm X before they, them two him own kill him on behalf of the Freemason Illuminati. Him say, there are none more hopelessly enslaved than those who believe that they are free. So your freedom, our democracy, is false and you are a slave. 277 years from 1742 to 2019, Freemason Illuminati control our country. You know that? And him also say, those who stand up for nothing shall fall for everything or anything. Because we walk around like we know why we are live and we feel not knowing anything is good. Because we just walk around, ignorance is bliss. And it get programming us. Look at our people. Look at our music. Look at the picnic them. Pure slackness and murder. While them sit back and provide we with everything with it end with life. And I said, no man, this too easy. And now watch we are killer for one another. Now we follow a whole heap of things which is paganic and racist and nobody no care to find out. People want floss, drink, hype. They want to look good, dance and bang like them are wild animals. Nobody no care about what them really are do. And just enjoyment, not seeing any impact or disaster coming. We start deal with this thing called Black Friday. The true meaning of Black Friday was about slavery action. You know that? Are selling slaves to other white people. To Americans and now the world, Black Friday are the day when shoppers them get up early and run figure grab Christmas list and figure splurge pan clothes and technology where them can get cheap and I kill off themselves and them one another for the sale them. Them a hope for reach in line for be the first few all a 50-inch TV or a 4K TV because them limit the items them. So a first come first serve. I see them so Black Friday go in truth. And I say it when stay back then with slave. You see how them can take something horrible what them do to black people and trick and blind even them own people as to what them really do and what really did go on and hiding the true meaning of what you celebrate. Back in the days of slavery, African American slaves would cook up the nice Thanksgiving turkey for their master and entertain them throughout the night. The masters them would have force the slaves them to entertain their friends and family. And then they would have vote on which one I slaves them when I entertain them the best. Or which one was the worst. The losers, them sell the losers them at the auction the next day. And them call it Black Friday. Now, the slave purchasers them know say the auction they are go on the day following Thanksgiving. So them would then get up early and run to where the auction that take place. Who upset them are first in line. 100 of them would have show up, hoping them can be the first to purchase the slaves that were on sale. This was one day out of the year that slaves were the price for slave, them drop it. The slave masters they would have come from miles to get great bargain and the annual Thanksgiving slave auction. People, what I do? Remember next time when you run but you go on Black Friday sale, what you really do? You basically laugh off on your own forefathers them where slave you. Where them slave and your slave master them will still eat you and try to kill you every day and mock you. Think people, really think and go do some research. Now them say now Paul Bogle what them teach about in a school and the picture where them give you is not Paul Bogle but an American man named Thomas L. Jennings. You can research that right now to show you how them people wicked and our government too. Thomas Jennings was born in 1791 and him dead February 12, 1856. I want African American and him use a tradesman and him work to try to abolish slavery in New York City. Him run one tailor business and in 1821 him one of the first black man to get a patent for him method where him create which is dry cleaning. Now the money when him make him basically buy him wife and him pitney them freedom and him continue him civil rights movement. Now people me just a show no again. You see if you research Paul Bogle you find the same picture which is Thomas Jennings. Your government will always a lie. And I tell you a lie and I trick you each and every day. And them a come to kill you. You better prepare. Jamaica, yo, wake up man.